Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we will take a look at the Japanese yen because we understand that's really cool that euro currency is continuing to move higher, but mostly we have said everything on the euro currency perspective in the short term period yesterday, so we have point to the next target. That will be the 1618 extension of the butterfly on the daily chart, and the market is continuing to move higher. Yesterday retracement was just very shy, so it even hasn't reached our confidence support on the forward time frame chart, and has reached just minor 618 downward extension of our ABCD that we have discussed. That was also agreement by but with the nearest fib support on the intraday charts on the euro currency. So, but in general, the trend that we have specified is continuing, and we said that the small action that we have recognized 2 weeks ago has become, as you can see, really important. As we said, that this action is irrational, it's not normal for a bearish market, and that has happened. So market indeed has given us early sign that is tending to change the direction, and right now we see this standing in progress. Also guys, I would like to make a small announcement in relation to our FIB3 indicator. So many of you, I know that you are using this indicator, and Michael, who has programmed this indicator, has said me that you could just put your wishes and maybe some ideas on the adjustment on the improvement of this indicator in the corresponding thread in our forum. So he will wait for your ideas, and since he intends to program the next version of this indicator, and he said that he will try to take into consideration all wishes and all possible improvements to this indicator. Also, our forum member Tom has put the let's call it as additional indicator to the FIB3, that it lets this indicator match to market. So currently you do not need to redraw the trend line for rebuilding in levels. So you know when we draw the line, when the market changed the top, you need to adjust the line, so the levels also will be adjusted. Currently with the indicator that Tom has provided, you do not need to do this. This will be done automatically. So you just run this additional indicator, and levels will be redrawn as soon as market will create the new top or new low. So that's why we are welcome you in our forum. And if you have any ideas on improvement with the Michael indicator, you could put your ideas in the corresponding thread. Right now, let's go to the research. So I don't know, do you remember our analysis on the Japanese yen that we have prepared? But I just briefly remind you. So on the monthly chart, we will start today from the monthly chart, guys. We said that, as you can see, market here has formed reversal swing. So this top is higher than this one. You probably remember that we have traded double repo here on the top. It has taken the shape of the head and shoulders pattern on the weekly chart, and we have traded this pattern. The target of this pattern was approximately around 105, 106 area. At the same time, after we have completed the trading on the head and shoulders, we have abandoned Japanese yen for some time, for a couple of months. But in our weekly researchers on the monthly chart, we said that since this is the first reversal swing after this drop, here market probably will show the deep retracement, and it probably should be at 618. Right now, you can see the market stands on a road to it, and it stands very close. Why we are returning back to the discussion of the Japanese yen right now? Mostly because market is approaching to very important level for the Japanese yen. This is the 100 even marking. 100 even level is some kind of the beacon, some kind of the red line where the policy of the Japanese bank, of the Central Japanese Bank, Bank of Japan, is different. If market stands above the 100 points, this is a bit different policy. So here market could act more aggressively. This is the one reason. The second reason is that technically around this level we could get a lot of different opportunities for trading. This 100 level is psychologically very important for the Japanese yen. So since we don't have any extensions, guys, here we can't say that we have some targets and hit targets based on some ABCDs or something. We have here just this support area, and we think that since market already has broken through all supports, here was the confluence, by the way, it has passed through it. So you could just reread our analysis on the Japanese yen that we have prepared in May, so you could find here the confluence supports and so on. Right now we have only the one level, 618 support around 95.70 area, and probably it should be hit. So this is the foundation. So on the monthly chart. Now let's turn to the daily chart and see what patterns we have right now that we could use in our trading. So on the daily chart we have very interesting picture. First of all, take a look how clear market keeps harmonic retracements. As market has started dropping in September 2015, upward retracement was miraculously equal. So this is almost pips to pips equality, one retracement to each other. So you can see this, they almost the same, and this distance is looking really nice. So you can see this really amazing. So the last retracement has happened in July, so you can see this upward bounce, and right now market stands in the extension again, an extension leg. At the same time, here we have some interesting patterns. First of all, this is the butterfly that has the 1618 extension precisely at 50.95 50 area. So it agrees with the monthly fib level. This is important. Second, take a look at this pattern. Here we have the bearish grabber. This bearish grabber suggests that market should drop slow, and probably these lows will be taken out, this Brexit candle. And you could see that since Brexit has happened, mostly market stands inside the range, inside this range. So guys, if you let me, I will now delete some unnecessary lines. So you can see that market stands inside of this range. Here was you could see this was an attempt to pass through it, but market has formed a bearish engulfing and has failed to do this. Correspondingly, as it usually happens, as market fails to break some long tail candle in some direction, it after that should turn the direction and come to opposite border of this range, and this right now stands right here, these lows. That's why we think that market indeed could make an attempt to take out of these lows. Since this is the lows, very important. As you can see, this is the lowest level. This market has since started to drop. After that was some retracement. Some stops probably could be placed here. As soon as market will touch the stops, this will lead it to reach predefined target, 95.50 approximately area. Also, we have here some most recent ABCD pattern. So that's an idea, since we don't have any supports on the monthly chart. By the way, guys, on the weekly chart we have some kind of the bearish dynamic pressure here. So trend holds bullish, but price action is not. This market really could show some acceleration down. So taking in consideration of the importance of the 100% marking or 100% level and the patterns that are forming here, it's very probable that market could show another leg, especially based on the background of the recent Fed meeting, so Fed minutes that suggest no rate hike on the September and more conservative view from the members of the Open Market Committee. So this also could support Japanese yen to the downside with the downward action. On the hourly chart, guys, on the 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that market has completed minor butterfly. In fact, it stands right here, this one. and some retracement probably could happen. It already has happened. 1618 retracement, market retested these lows, started move down, but here maybe some another action will happen, because on the hourly chart the next pattern also could be formed as the butterfly. So you can see with the target, intermediate target around 98.50 probably. So maybe some minor retracement will happen here, and then market could continue move down. Also we have here this kind of the ABCD with the same target. But this is, guys, only the details. It's not really important. How definitely market will continue move lower. Maybe the butterfly will be formed, maybe some other pattern. The major idea stands around the monthly chart, that market here in fact has no supports. Next support stands right here. The market is not at the oversold, and in the patterns that we have on the daily chart. It's very interesting. So that's why we suggest that the Japanese yen really could make the challenge of the recent lows and could try to complete finally 195.50 area and test this support. In general, this action is absolutely normal and logically comes from the idea of the reversal swing. Since usually after reversal swings, market shows deep retracements. We think that could be interesting, and that's currently a short-term view on the Japanese yen.